You can play table tennis, sepak takraw and football all in one place, on one table and in one game. Would you believe me? If yes, then you are in for a treat with this amazing news from the sport of Teqball, a sport where India has scripted history away from the headlines.
हम लोग तो basically emotional हो गए थे पूरा, मतलब shock में आ गए थे कि क्या हो गया, कैसे हो गया, वही बहुत खुशी था हम लोग.
The first 5 minutes after the realization was something else.
Shock.
Yeah. To some level, as an athlete, it's quite disappointing, to be honest, that we play for our country and we represent a country, and we also go to the tournaments and see the recognition that the other countries are getting from their organizations, and we have zero help whatsoever. So that's something that's quite disappointing, honestly, and demotivating as an athlete.
This is the story of Declan Gonzalez and Anas Baig, who took India to the Teqball World Championship podium and won a bronze medal, a first of its kind in the history of Indian sports. Teqball, which is aspiring to join the Olympic roster but struggling to find its place in India, is slowly but surely rising in stature. And Anas and Declan's achievement is another push for the sport in the right direction.
It's quite unreal, to be honest, stepping up onto the podium for the first time and getting honored and felicitated with an award like that is something that you only dream of. So yeah, it was very surreal experience. I remember talking to Anas after the quarterfinal match that we visually both broke down when we got to know that we reached the semis. So it's something that we only dreamed of, but now we know that we can achieve as well with all the work we put in. Unfortunately, it's the second option that you chose, and there hasn't been much recognition as such from the government, but definitely from different organizations and sporting news channels and people who track different in India, people who track different happenings in sports as such. There's been a lot of reception like that, thankfully. But as I mentioned, from the government itself, we've been struggling quite for a lot of tournaments.
Even we pitch for a sponsor, the sponsor said, "What is the sports?" We have to explain them.
Yeah.
तो उनके साइड से basically नहीं आना ही, but घुमा फिरा के लोग पूछताछ करते थे, but नहीं होता था.
I was actually introduced to Teqball, you can say 3 years ago, just before COVID, and there was this one invitational Teqball tournament which me and my friends were a part of. And that's exactly how we got more into the sport. We had learned about the sport through the internet before this tournament itself, and we actually made a table ourselves. We actually got through a vendor and got a table done and made ourselves so that we could play and start practicing the sport. And then we got to know, like I mentioned, about this invitational tournament, and then that's how I grew more, learning more about the sport and wanting to play the sport more.
One of my friend who introduced me to sports, so basically he was organizing one tournament, a weekend league tournament. From there he called me that come, there's one tournament coming, it's a new sports in India, you should try, because we used to play football together. Then he told ki your tennis is good, then you should try the sports. Then from 2019 we started playing small tournaments like a weekend league and all. After that some nationals had come, तो उसके बाद हम खेलना चालू करें, तो वहीं से इंटरेस्ट ग्रो होता गया और आहिस्ते आहिस्ते वीडियोस देखे तो बोले ये तो नया स्पोर्ट्स है, वी कैन ट्राई मोर, तो वहीं से शुरुआत हुई हमारी.
Pick between basically a couple of days when we can and can't train because of our work, and I mean, of course it would be better if we could pursue this full time, but then again the sport needs to grow and money needs to be pumped into the sport for that to happen, and the sport needs to be recognized for us athletes to leave our 9 to 5 jobs and chase this completely.
Basically in India, we have to, for World Championship you have to qualify, you have to win nationals gold medal, then only you can qualify the World Championship. Other than that, you can go like World Series, normal tours and tournaments, you can go directly through FITTEC. But in World Championship, Teqball has a criteria that only national championship players who won the gold medals, then उनको ही chance मिलता है जाने के लिए बस.
that's something that we, again, like I say, since the sport is relatively new, it's something that we've only been actually dreaming of and hoping for. But we know now that the way the sport is growing, it's a high possibility that could happen. And Teqball's already been featured in the African Sea Games and also in the
European Nation Games.
European Nation Games. That's the Olympics that happens in the European countries. So that's also clearly evident that Teqball has made its name and it's making its roots ahead in the sporting industry.